In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a vehicle from the Uber Driver app, whether you've recently sold a car or no longer use it for driving. Updating your Uber account to remove a vehicle is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open your Uber Driver app on your smartphone or tablet. As you're logging in, ensure you're using your current credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, locate the menu icon typically found in the top left corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will allow you to see a variety of options and settings. Now, you'll want to select the Account option. This is where you manage all your personal settings related to your Uber driving experience. In the Account section, look for the Vehicles option. The Vehicles page is where you find details about any cars currently associated with your account. When you open it, you'll see a list of all vehicles registered under your profile. Next, identify the vehicle you wish to remove. Look carefully at the options provided and tap on the specific vehicle you no longer want on the list. This will take you to a detailed page dedicated to that vehicle. In order to remove the vehicle, you should see an option that allows you to make changes. It's important to double check that you're selecting the correct car, as removing vehicles you intended to keep can be inconvenient. On the Vehicle Details page, find the option that says something like Remove Vehicle or Delete Vehicle. Tap on that option. Sometimes the app will ask you for confirmation before proceeding, which is a crucial step to avoid any accidental removals. If prompted, confirm your selection. Removing a vehicle might involve a short wait as the app processes your request. Usually, this only takes a few moments. Afterward, you may want to navigate back to the Vehicles page to verify that the vehicle no longer appears on the list of registered vehicles. This visual confirmation can give you peace of mind, knowing that the app has correctly implemented your request. If you encounter any issues or the vehicle doesn't disappear from your list, consider reaching out to Uber's customer support for extra assistance. They can provide further guidance to resolve any technical or account-related problems. It's always a good idea to check that the app is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes lead to unexpected issues. And there you have it. That's how you remove a vehicle from the Uber Driver app. I hope this instructional guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Keep watching for more tips and tricks to streamline your Uber driving experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and take care.